guys, welcome back once again to the channel. Today we want to do this simple AutoCAD 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start and then get into it. So let's open our AutoCAD and let's go back to the drawing. Now looking at this drawing, it's quite easy. You can see we are having some circles here and a bigger one outside here, and this simple circles here. So let's try and start. So I'll start with this ones over here. Now let's check the dimensions. We are having the inner one diameter of 8 and then outer one diameter of 16. So let's begin from here. So you take your circle command and click anywhere the drawing space. Now this is specifying radius. You can see it's showing radius. So if you want diameter, you can click the diameter here. Now it's showing diameter, so you enter 16. Now it becomes very small. You can use the command zoom or Z. You press enter, then you select extend. Okay, then you resize it to what you want. Now the second circle is 8, I guess. Yeah, it's a diameter of 8, so let's go for it. You click on diameter and then press 8. Good. Now we are having the two circles. Now let's try and draw this bigger one. This bigger one is having a radius of 15. It's having a radius of 15, so you take the circle command again, radius 15, you enter. Alright, now let's deal with this down part. Now you can see the gap or the distance from this tip to this place is 15 mm. Okay, actually all the dimensions are in millimeters, so the measurement from here to this place is 15. So we will use a line to do that, so that it will be very easy for us. So select the line command, then click on this quadrant and then bring it down, enter 15 for the length. Good. Now there is another circle here with radius 7. So let's do with that one first. So select your circle command, click anywhere, enter a radius of 7, press enter. Now you move it. So you select the circle, then you either use the move command, then you select it at the quadrant over here, move it to the end of this line. Now there is another circle. See the inner one, this one radius 4, and the inner one is diameter 4. So let's do the radius 4 first. The circle, radius 4, then there's another one which is diameter. So click on diameter and you enter 4. Okay, so now we have this. Now there's a line. If you check, there's a line from this place going down 15 mm. So you can take your line command from this place, go down 15. Okay, now when you go down 15, you can see there's another, this space over here is 3 mm. So just take it to this direction, enter 3. Now you go up to meet this quadrant of the circle. Good. Now let's mirror this line 8, the inner one. You have to mirror this one here 8. So to do that, or you can offset it actually if you want it. Let's use the offset command and then offset distance. Let's enter 8. You press enter, select this line and then click. Good. Now let's deal with this part of it. So from this place to this place is 25. Okay, the height is 20. So let's start with the line. Click on the line, click here, go 25, you enter, you go up is 20. So make sure the line is vertical, 20, enter. Then you go inside here is 10. So you come this way 10, and then you go up, I think it's 5 here, 5. Make sure it's vertical, 5. Now you go to this direction also, which is 5. so 5. Then you go up from this place to this place, 47, that's here, 47, then 19. So let's go up 47, then 19. Okay, so you can actually join it to this if you want to, because we will apply fillet. So now we are done with this aspect. Let's deal with this place. Now you can see, if you check, the distance from this place to this line is 19. Okay, from here to here is 19. So what you can do is you can offset this line. Okay, now you can delete this one, you can offset this line. So let's use the offset command, then enter 19, then you select this one to this place. Good. Now let's extend it to this place so that to touch the circle. So let's apply our fillets. We have a fillet here, 5, 5, 5. Okay, so select your fillet command, enter the radius, click on radius, enter radius of 5. Now click on this line and this circle, you get it. Press enter again, click here and click here, press enter again, click this circle and click this one. Good. Now there is another radius here which is 6, so select your fillet, click on radius, enter 6, choose this line and this line. The same way, press enter again, choose this line and this line. Now we need to trim this place and then trim this place as well. So let's do that. You can use the shortcut TR for trim, and then just click here to go, click this ones too, you don't need it. Okay, and as well this one. Now if you check, there's a line here from this place, the center of this circle to down here is 8. So activate the line command, bring it to the end here, don't click, and then send it down, enter 8, just enter 8, you don't click, enter 8 to start just from this place, and then you click to join this line. Now I think we are done. What you're supposed to do is to dimension the work. So let's try and dimension our work. So we go to annotation and then choose diameter, choose diameter for the circles. So we have the inner one, 16, press enter again, activate. This is radius, so go and select radius for this one. But before that, I would like us to create a layer for the dimensions. So go to layer properties, then create new layer, name it dim, and then change the color. You can change the color to any color you want. I want green, so I'll choose that. Then you close it. Good. So now you can select all these dimensions, put it on the layer. It's okay. So then let's activate this layer and then dimension our work. So choose this layer. Good. So let's continue with the dimension. I'll choose radius again, dimension this place, and bring it down. Press enter again, press enter again to activate, press enter again, okay. Yeah. Okay, so I think we are done with the radius. Now let's give the dimension to the circle, the inner one, which is diameter. So select diameter and then you give it to it, just 4. And then here is radius, so let's choose radius, which is 4. Move this one. I want to position it. Okay. Okay, so now let's deal with the linear dimensions as well. The linear dimensions. So go to annotation, select linear, choose the end 19, enter to activate again from this side. Let's check. Yeah, from this place to this place 47, enter to activate this place to this place 5. Let's move it up, enter to activate again this place 5, enter here to here 20. So you dimension all the necessary areas. Yeah, so I think that is all. If you check, I think all our work is dimension. Now you can increase the line weight of the work. So to do that, just select, go to your normal layer, and then you change the line width. Now you see it has affected the dimensions as well. So easy, just go to the layer properties, then go to your dimension, or you can go to layer property, then you come here, change the line width to the 0.13 or 0.15, any of them, then all the dimension lines will come back to normal, leaving the work as big as it is. Okay, thank you all for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and projects like this in AutoCAD. See you in my next video.